Hello haters. It's an old video. I'm fully aware my brows look very boxy and black, followed by lip gloss on my teeth for more than half of the video, but I am human and I make mistakes too. Peace out.
Hola my beauties, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, my name is Gurish Kaur and today's video is very special. It's a very interesting. So today's video is in collaboration with Riya Sehgal. She also edits my YouTube videos, but this YouTube video I'm gonna edit myself because it's gonna be a very fun one and I really want the surprise to be for her as well. And next up, yes, I and Riya collaborated for this challenge. It's the mystery box challenge, wherein I paid Riya 6k to arrange a mystery box that could have literally anything in the world and ship it to each other. Do you want to see the size of the mystery box she has sent me? It's crazy. And there you go. There you fucking go. It's so huge and heavy. रिया पागल हो गई थी,
पता नहीं ज्यादा ही खुश हो गई थी तो उसने बहुत बड़ा मिस्ट्री बॉक्स भेजा है. I cannot control and have this mystery inside me any longer. So let's unbox it live in front of you guys and let's see what all we have in today's mystery box.
अब ये खुलेगा कैसे मेरे को तो ये भी नहीं समझ आ रहा. सिजर से खुलने वाला तो नहीं है ये चाकू तलवारों से खुलेगा. Let me get a knife. ओ भाई साहब. Also, this mystery box challenge concept is not an original by me or Riya. It is inspired by a lot of YouTubers. It's just a challenge going on where, you know, two YouTubers send across mystery boxes to each other and it's quite a fun challenge, so we thought why not. By the way, a lot of people ask me how I know Riya. We actually met via Instagram last year when I was searching for a video editor for my YouTube channel, and Riya darling always is very enthusiastic with every opportunity. So Riya ने मुझे DM किया. I would be interested, you know, if you have an opportunity, and her video editing skills are certainly so bomb. I mean, she knows it. I'm just really fond of her. So I hired her a year back. It's been a year that we have been working together, and more than work, we are great friends. हम बहुत बातें करते हैं. So our association started with work, but now it's a lot more than that. It's friendship, it's empathy for each other, and हम एक दूसरे की बहुत बेइज्जती भी मारते हैं और एक दूसरे को बहुत suggestions भी देते रहते हैं with regards to work. So it's cool. And if anybody just in case does not follow her, what are you even doing on YouTube? She does some amazing content on YouTube Shorts, and even her long form videos are such, you know, such a delight to watch. Yeah, बहुत तारीफें हो गई उसकी. ये खुल नहीं रहा है बस. Alright, so I did unpack the stuff a little, and here we have this green box. इसमें number 9 लिखा है. I don't know what that means.
Okay.
So it says, since we both are bookers, hence we both need one of these. So it's definitely something edible. Oh no! कुछ snacks है. Let me open that. It says, I value every idea.
Oh, okay.
So this looks more like a calendar, if I'm not wrong. No. Yeah, so it says it's a wooden desk calendar with a whiteboard. But that note did not make any sense, Riya. Or was it just to confuse me? All I just realized मैंने गलत पढ़ा था. It's not bhukkad. It's written since we both are bhulakkars. That's true. That's so true. बहुत चीजें भूल जाती हूँ for deadlines especially. So हाँ, since we both are bhulakkars, we definitely need one of these. This is very sweet though. I never had one of these, and I always wanted a little whiteboard and a marker. So it has a whiteboard, a marker that comes with it. Thank you so much for this. इससे मुझे एटलीस्ट अपना काम याद रहेगा. मैं टाइम से कुछ काम कर लूंगी. I like such fancy stuff. You can put the date, the month, and the day. How cool is that? This is a very cute calendar, yeah. You can do Tuesday, Wednesday, Monday, Thursday. That is sweet, and the dates likewise you can change. How cool is that? This is very nice actually. मैं अपने desk पे रखूँगी. मुझे actually बहुत अच्छा लगा. So thank you. Alright, so this dabba says number 2, and it says, I envy you for having this. Let's open it. Oh my god! What is this? It's some equipment for my work, but what is it actually? पहले समझाओ यार मेरे को. बहुत interesting लग रहा है. But ये क्या है? The Amazon box also does not say anything. So this is all that was there in that dabba. It's definitely some equipment for filming. बट मेरे को समझ नहीं आया, तो बेसिकली मेरी रिया मुझे समझाएगी. Then I'll see if I need to thank her or not. I don't know what it is. And here we have another box that says, ow, that says 12, and then it says trying to make your work from home easier.
With the size of it, maybe it's a small table, like
A table to keep at your bed पे जैसे छोटा टेबल रखते हैं यार. Let's see. Yeah, I guessed it right. I guessed this one right. Thank you. This was much needed यार. This तो was सच्ची मुझे much needed. चलो कुछ काम की चीजें दी है रिया ने. So that's like a nice folding table. I like the color pink. I love the color pink. It's foldable like so. How cool is that? Like, this is some high utility mystery box, I tell you. A calendar, a table. I appreciate that. Next up we have this box right here. It says, could not pack this properly, but this one is my favorite of them all. You're a boss lady. You're my boss lady too. What is it? I like gifts. Just by the way, thank you so much for this. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is my favorite too. So it says girl boss and it's an amazing organizer. Damn. देखो पता था क्या मुझे क्या क्या चाहिए. मुझे एक मिनी टेबल चाहिए था because हाँ पूरा दिन लैपटॉप पे काम करना होता है. Then I have way too much makeup to organize. Thank you so much. And next up, मेरी गलती, duly मेरी गलती, क्योंकि मैंने अभी रिया को फोन करा ना, asked her कि रिया I'm just unboxing a mystery box. सारे गिफ्ट्स थे वो rightly numbered नहीं थे. मेरे पास बस 5 boxes थे. And किसी पे 12 लिखा है, किसी पे 9, किसी पे 2, किसी पे 3 and that's it. And एक पे 13. So 13 was the highest number, but कुछ order में नहीं था तो मुझे समझ नहीं आया. So she said, did you receive only 5 items? I said, I guess, because there are only 5 boxes. So I called her and she was like about to call the delivery guy. फिर मैंने खोल के देखा, this one box had all the smaller items. इसमें सारे छोटे डब्बे थे. तो मैंने बेचारी ने जो इतनी मेहनत से न्यूमेरिकल ऑर्डर में अरेंज करके मुझसे गिफ्ट्स खुलवाने थे वो तो खराब कर दिया है. बट रिगार्डलेसली I'm still gonna open जो pending gifts are in whatever the fuck order I want. It's supposed to be number 10 and it says if you're a 90s kid you know this is good. क्या है 90s kid वाला? कहाँ से ढूंढ के लाई है? फटाफट गाइस, फटाफट. डू यू रिमेम्बर ये फटाफट वाली जो मिलती थी, ये जो भी गोलियां. I like खट्टा मीठा, मतलब हर चीज खट्टी चीजें पसंद है. I like sour stuff, so it's gonna be nice. फटाफट. And what do we have next? I'm such a kid. मुझे इतना अच्छा लग रहा है इतने सारे गिफ्ट्स खोलना. It says 11. वो तो हम फकअप कर चुके हैं. We're not even bothered.
मैं क्या करूँ फिर, जॉब छोड़ दूँ?
It says OMFG. You are going to love this after setting spray while filming your YouTube videos. It's definitely a fan. It's definitely the fancy fan that YouTubers use. I actually really wanted to get this from quite a while, so thank you. अगर fan है, yeah, told you, I knew it. I just knew it. How cool is that? मुझे बहुत cool और बहुत fancy चीजें तो पसंद है. बिना बात की fancy चीजें, like you can do without it, but you would love to do with it. So it's the geeky portable rechargeable handheld fan. So it's a nice portable fan and I quite like it. Of course I like it. I'm a YouTuber. I have to be extra and fancy. So the supposedly first gift. You are way too lazy to buy this for yourself. You're welcome. What? ऐसा क्या जो अपने लिए? Okay, I'll just open it. This is a fairy light. I know it. This is a fairy light. और मुझे इतनी हंसी आ रही है because रिया मुझे कितने टाइम से कही थी fairy light use fairy lights in the background. It's gonna look very pretty. I knew it. I just knew it. I just knew it. These are fairy lights. Yep. Those are fairy lights. And now you're gonna see them in my background. Well. And next out of the Pitara, it says number 8. Don't care. This is the cutest and useful thing ever. Ordered one more for me. Oh, it's those sheet mask wale compress. Yeah. So it's those compressed sheet masks. ये Miniso से है. And yeah. So basically you can put it into a liquid and they'll become a sheet mask. ये तो बहुत cool लगते थे मुझे. मैंने कभी I never picked these up. मुझे लगता था पता नहीं इतने useful है या नहीं, मुझे cool बहुत लगते थे. So now you're gonna see them in my videos for sure. And this one says we cannot have enough of these. What do we can't have enough of? I don't know. Lashes, brushes, if it's makeup related.
Facial razors?
Eyebrow razors. When I was opening it, I realized. So yeah, true that we can't have enough of these. And thank you so much. Literally, Delhi mein lockdown, and you're sending me eyebrow razors. You have my heart, Riya. Soul sister. This one says just a little reminder for you to spend time with your family. I miss on it sometimes. Thank you. ओए ये तो रिया एक हक देने का मन कर रहा है. You literally gifted me Uno and eyebrow razors at the time when I needed them the most while lockdown in Delhi. ये मैं आज रात को खेलने वाली और मैं रोज रात को खेलूंगी. So this is the best thing. Shit. मुझे तो छोटी छोटी चीजें ज्यादा अच्छी लगी. This one says I think it's the right time कि तू दुनिया को अपना सच बता दे. क्या सच है मेरा? एक प्रोडक्ट.
Oh hell no.
रिया तेरा दिमाग ठीक है. मैं दिखाया भी नहीं जा रहे. I'll keep the knife aside because I don't want to stab me while laughing. I think it's the right time कि तू दुनिया को अपना सच बता दे. She sent me a pregnancy test.
What? What the fuck?
Prega news, guys. Prega news it is. I hate you for this. जितना प्यार आ रहा था ना, I hate you for this. So she says take a guess before opening this one, just like मैं बाकी सबके साथ नहीं कर रही. यार कुछ तो बता. ऐसे कैसे? नहीं ना, cheating थोड़ी सी. She got me glasses. Yeah, she got me glass.
She got me glass.
Damn, I love it. Hanji, I like it. It's a little big on my face, no? But अच्छे हैं. Very good. This is the last one. यार मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा था ऐसे गिफ्ट्स पे गिफ्ट्स खोलना. सिर्फ 13 गिफ्ट्स भेजे यार अच्छा लग रहा था यार. Okay, so this one says I want a review on this badly. मुझे कुछ तो दिख रहा है इधर से. लॉल. Does it say Himalayan cheese popcorn? थोड़ा सा ट्रांसलूसेंट है तो मैं बदतमीज वगैरह पढ़ने की कोशिश कर. But I can just open it now. Yeah, why is it the last one? I'm greedy for gifts now. मुझे अब चाहिए गिफ्ट. Okay, cheese puffs. Alright, cool. Interesting. और क्या कर तू मुझे? Eat the cheese, please. The Himalayan cheese puffs. Interesting. Looks good. Yeah, looks good. I'll give a review right now. No, ये तो मैं अभी दे सकती हूँ ना. This is like. Okay, this honestly looks like my dog's treats. Very hard and weird. ये देखने में तो कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग नहीं लग रहा. Sorry.
No, God, please, no, no.
As this is for dog. Thank God it looks weird enough for me to not actually have tasted it. हसलरी खाएगा ये. And I hate you because मैं literally almost खाने वाली थी. Shit. Why did I not see this dog? There's a dog right on the packaging. Why did I not see this? Let me actually FaceTime this bitch now. Hanji. एक सेकेंड. सब छोड़. ये क्या है? ये अपनी न्यूज़ पे सबको बताई नहीं अभी तक. एक और चीज पता है क्या हुई है अभी? You wrote give me a review of this. I almost opened it. मैंने नहीं देखा डॉग. मैंने खाया नहीं.
मुझे लग ही रहा था ये लड़की को नंबर से नहीं अगर दिखते तो ये कहाँ से दिखेगा.
मैंने खाया
तो नहीं.
मैंने उससे निकाला. मैंने कहा लुक्स लाइक माई डॉग ट्रीट्स बिकॉज मैंने कहा ये हसलर को देते हैं यार.
मैंने इसीलिए भेजा. मैंने कहा यूज भी हो जाएगा साथ में.
नहीं, यूटिलिटी वाली चीजें तो अच्छी थी. द प्रेगा न्यूज गॉट मी लाइक.
तो यार ये सच्चाई बतानी चाहिए ना अपनी ऑडियंस को.
सही कह रही है.
कोई ना ऑनेस्ट चैनल है अगर तो ये ऑनेस्टी भी तो होनी चाहिए ना. इतनी तो
मैं थप्पड़ मारूंगी. बहुत गंदा हंसी उस पे तो. बिकॉज आई वाज लाइक क्या होगा अपना सच बता दे एंड शिट. बहुत बदतमीज.
पहन के दिखा कैसी लग रही है?
मेरे फेस में थोड़े से बड़े आई गेस। एक तो ये महान हरकतें यार ये मेरी वीडियो में ही होना होता है क्या?
स्क्रीन रिकॉर्ड ऑन किया हुआ है?
ऑफ कोर्स। ओ फक, रुकियो देखने दे।
ये मतलब इस लड़की को सब कुछ बताना पड़ता है। ओ माय गॉड।
नहीं ऑन था, मैंने करा था। And that's all I got for you today. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I and Riya did. So मेरा पैकेज भी रिया को पॉसिबली जल्दी मिल जाएगा and this video is going live together anyway, so ये वीडियो लाइव इकट्ठे जाएगा. So you can check my description box and her videos link will be right in the description, so do check out her channel, subscribe to her channel after subscribing to mine, and do check out her video as well and to see what I sent in her mystery box. So yeah, और हसलर को अब उसकी ट्रीट्स मिल गए, so वो चुप नहीं रहने वाला, वो बहुत शोर कर रहा है. So I'll probably take goodbye and see you guys in my next one.